Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Target REDcard. The Target REDcard is a credit card offered by Target Corporation. To log into your Target REDcard, watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in the official website for Target by typing in www.target.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now on the next page, to log into your REDcard, click on the sign in link right under already have a REDcard at the top left. Now enter your Target account's credential on the next page, starting off with your email or your mobile number in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct as well and click the sign in button in order to get access to your account. That way, you'll be able to log into your REDcard as well. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.